Iowa Clover Power Cooking School is now in session. Get ready to learn how to prepare another nutritious snack recipe with some simple ingredients along with your Iowa State University Cooking School friends, showing you how to make cooking fun and healthy.
Welcome to the Clover Power Kitchen. My name is Isabel and this is Reeves, and we are students studying dietetics at Iowa State University.
We are looking forward to cooking with you today. Today we are going to be making a berry green smoothie from the Iowa State Spend Smart, Eat Smart website.
So now we are going to get started with our recipe for today. First, we want to make sure we wash our hands before starting any recipe. We already did this, but if not, you can go do this now. Make sure to get in between your fingers and underneath your fingernails.
Once you have washed your hands, you can now gather your ingredients. We will need 2 medium bananas, and we will need about 3 cups of spinach, about 2 cups of frozen berries, about 1.5 cups of yogurt, and about a cup of non-fat milk.
For our supplies, we will need measuring cups, liquid measuring cups, a spatula, a blender, or if you have a bike blender, you can use this.
Once you have all your ingredients and your supplies set out, we will grab our medium bananas. We'll start by peeling these bananas and putting them into the blender. Make sure that when you do this, that you watch out for the blade because the blade is really sharp.
You might want a parent to help you with this step. After our bananas are placed in the blender, we will measure out 12 ounces or 1.5 cups of our Greek yogurt. You might want to use a spatula to get the yogurt into your measuring cup.
The next ingredient we're going to measure out is our spinach. You need approximately 3 cups of spinach. You can put it into your measuring cup, however, it is about just roughly like a handful or so of spinach. I'll show you in the measuring cup. And I'm going to add a little bit more. Spinach is a good source of iron. This is really a good mineral for your body.
Now, once those ingredients are in the blender, we want to secure the lid. And you want to make sure the lid is on tight so we don't get any messes in the kitchen. Once the lid is secured, we're going to blend the ingredients until smooth.
After that, we will remove the lid. And we will measure out frozen berries. We need approximately 2 cups of frozen berries. Berries are a good source of antioxidants. They're really important for your health, especially in the wintertime.
We're going to secure that lid on tight again and now we're on to adding our milk. We will need about 8 ounces or 1 cup of milk. Milk is a great source of calcium, which can be good for your growing bones. Once again, get that lid on secured and you can blend.
Next, you'll remove the lid. And if you need, you can use a spatula to help get the smoothie into a cup.
can't even taste the spinach at all. Very delicious.
It's really good actually.
So today we use bananas, berries, and spinach for our recipe. Fruits and vegetables such as these are all great sources of fiber. What other sources of fiber would you like to use in a future smoothie?
Fiber is a great way to help with digestion. Next time I would like to add strawberries and celery for extra sweetness and greens in my smoothie.
The fiber in this recipe is found mainly in the spinach and the berries. How can you increase your fiber intake in the next week? Can you add more fruits and vegetables?
Thanks for watching and join us again for another Clover Powered Cooking School. Thank you!